Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen the legend function in Matplotlib. And in today's session, let's go ahead with the font size parameter in Matplotlib. Suppose we want to change the font size of the title or X label or Y label, we can specify a value in font size parameter and the title and X label, Y label size will be changed accordingly. We can increase it or decrease it. So now let's see with the help of an example how we can change the font size of title, X label and Y label. Initially, let me say import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now let me import my numpy library, import numpy as np. Now let me use object oriented plotting method. So I'm using fig comma ax is equal to plt dot subplots, and then let me say x equal to np dot arange 0 comma 10 comma 0.1. So I'm creating an array, an numpy array which is having initial value 0, ending value 10, increment size is 0.1. Now let me say y equal to np dot sine of x. So I'm creating a sine wave. Z equal to np dot cos of x. And now let me plot it onto my screen by saying ax dot plot. I'm using the plot function. So x color equal to blue for this particular wave, and label, let me give it equal to sine wave. Similarly, let's plot. So this should not be x, this should be y because y stands for sine wave. And next let me say ax dot plot z, it's the cosine wave, color equal to red, and label for this is equal to cosine wave. Now let me give a title for my plot. Let me give it as ax dot set underscore title. So ax dot set underscore title, and I have to give it as, I'll give it as sine and cosine wave. And now I want this sine and cosine wave to be of a higher font size. So I can say font size, I can use the font size parameter and give it as 20. So the font size increases to 20 and sine and cosine wave will have a font size equal to 20. Now let me specify my x label. So ax dot set underscore x label. So x label is nothing but time, and I want a font size equal to 15. Similarly, ax dot set underscore y label. Y axis is value, and again font size I am making it equal to 15. Now let me use my legend function ax dot legend and plot dot show. So friends, this is the program in which I've used font size attribute to increase the size of the title as well as the X label and the Y label. And since I've given in my plot function label equal to sine wave, it will appear in the legend. For the first graph, it will have sine wave. For the second graph, it will have cosine wave in the legend function. And now let me run the code. So I get two waves. One is a sine wave and a cosine wave. The one in blue is the sine wave and the one in red is the cosine wave. And sine and cosine wave is of a higher font size because I given it equal to 20. So it's of a higher font size. Value and time is having a font size equal to 15. So we can change the font size as per our requirement. So if I make it as 30 over here, run the code, the font size increases to 30. And similarly, if I make it as 25, run the code, the value also increases to a font size equal to 25. So with the help of font size, we can change the font size of a label, of X label, Y label and the title. Hope so friends, it was clear for you. We can change the font size of title, X label and Y label by specifying a value in the font size attribute. So hope so it is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.